About 100 degrees out here today. Checking this absolutely amazing water feature. Just wrapped up. Homeowner spent a ton of money. Had somebody build something. They didn't know what they were doing. So unfortunately, had to call the pros in here to rip it out and redo it. Now check this bad boy out.
Flashback.
Alright, I think it's the first day of the build. Boys, Ryan and Matt are getting ready to tear down this pondless pond waterfall situation to make a nice looking situation. Vibes are good. This is gonna be a real nice situation in another week and a half. A whole lot better.
Soon after.
CE Parsons back on the scene, your outdoor living expert. That's right, just getting unloaded and we are getting set up to redo a not so pretty waterfall to pondless setup. But when Ponce is done with it, it's gonna look amazing. Got our aqua blocks, got all our aquascape stuff, got the man, the myth, the legend, got the E50 Bobcat on scene today, the big boy, and this is what we're gonna redo. A lot of rocks and not a lot of the right places. But when we're done, it'll look nice. Yeah, coming out of the woods. Well, that ugly waterfall is gone, almost gone. A few more rocks to rip out. End of day one. Bobcat working hard, Ryan working harder. Got our shelves built. Got that pit built, aquascape blocks in there. Gonna look great when it's done.
Next morning.
Day two, Jose manning the excavator. Getting ready to move rocks here. As we are placing the rocks on this lovely cutout structured water feature.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Ah, the pond life. End of day two here, starting to take shape. First drop into the pit, looking good. Second drop coming together. Got some big rocks in place. Backfilling, shelves looking good. Jose's always doing his thing. Gonna be a good one.
The next morning.
Jose working hard, early riser here. Beginning of week 2, Monday morning. This will be day 4, and this thing is really coming together. Very well placed rocks here on these falls. So far, our first fall box is in, our second fall box is in, and it's really coming together here, guys.
Many minutes later.
I can see it rising. It's going to crest over that in a second. Here it comes.
One shift later.
Day 6, and this thing is a beauty so far. I feel like I'm sitting in the woods watching a real stream. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not even done yet. I don't think the camera does justice to the size of this thing, but it's incredible.
That's what she said.
This is the final fall under construction. This thing's gonna be awesome too. Stacked stonework getting done right now by Jose. And the final fall box. Details going in. Logs, moss. All right, end of day 6. Here's the big reveal. This thing is amazing. This is our final fall. Completed at the end of day 6.
The next day.
All right, day 7. Rise flying by, just like time is. So watch what happens in a second. We turn this into a nice little patio next to our nice little water feature. Bye-bye, Bobcat. It's been real. Woo. Try to give this some scale and perspective. There's Rye, the man, the myth, the legend. After 7 days of hard work with these gentlemen and myself, we have presenting this beautiful water masterpiece. Pea gravel patio, don't even matter.
End of flashback.
Still sweating.
It's so damn hot. Milk was a bad choice.
Got the man here, designer of this epic feature. How'd this thing come about, boss?
So what happened was they had another, not Ponce level quality of workmanship built this for them only like a year and a half ago. And they called because they just didn't like it. It was a pond at the bottom, it was a zoo. And I said, what can you do? Like, we can do it the way you want it to be. and Ryan and Matt and I don't remember who else is out here. The crew,
Jose.
the Crozet, maybe Jaden, maybe Greg. I mean, look at it. Look at it.
She's a beaut. Don't mind the drenched sweat all over my face.
Push up, button!
Like me? If you do, please say.